These are the trophies won by students and staff of our college, Vainganga. Vainganga College of Engineering is the most developing and fast developing college in the field of engineering and technology. This is our mission. Our director's cabin, director research. This is our dean cabin. We are entering in a classroom, model classroom. Our library. This is our library. All types of books for students for different branches: civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics, computer science, IT. This is our librarian, sir. This is our high voltage research lab. High voltage experiments are carried experimentally. This is our students' study and preparation room. This is just adjacent to the library, central library. Sufficient space is there for all around. These are the slogans of big people. Think big, think fast, think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. This has been said by well-known Dhirubhai Ambani ji. He is a well-known businessman who has grown from zero to infinite. And our college is also following the same path so that we can make the students to rise from zero to infinite. We have got that scheme. This is our IQAC cell. Where IQAC coordinator and other faculty members. This is a meeting room of heads of the department. This is the meeting room of the heads of the department and director. Great saint Swami Vivekananda is our idol. Department of Electrical Engineering. Winston Churchill has said, a pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity and an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. This is a switchgear and measurement lab in which we perform the experiments to measure various electrical quantities and various electrical protective relays which are used in thermal power station and transmission lines to protect electrical gadgets, transmission lines. These are the equipment on which students are given training and they are asked to perform the various experiments to get the expertise so that they will be experts and confident engineer in the field. This is the under voltage and over voltage relay. Normally there is a voltage fluctuations which tend to destroy our equipments and trip the lines. This is the relay which is used in transmission system and distribution system. This is the view of that lab where students will perform the experiment and get conversant with the technology which they will be using in the field. This is another panel known as overcurrent relay panel. This is the undercurrent and again combination of overcurrent panel with digital meters. We have got air circuit breaker model. These models are used in transmission and distribution system to trip the line whenever there is any fault. Students perform experiments on these equipments. This is a experimental kit for 3-phase overcurrent relay. These are the charts that have been made and fixed in the lab so that students will be viewing this regularly and will be conversant with the circuits and the formulas they are using in the labs and in their texts. This is the view of power electronics lab. There are various kits on which students will be performing experiments. The hands-on practice will be given to the students on such type of kits. This is the view of the power electronics lab. These are the list of the experiments. These are the instructions for the students. We have got various test kits. Various test kits and lab equipments. In electrical engineering, you will be studying power electronics, which is the most versatile subject and used in every control that is in electrical engineering for transmission, distribution, drives, solar, everywhere. Power electronics is the subject on which, if you get the mastery, you can do wonders and miracles in electrical engineering. Most sought after subject, and an opportunity is there to understand the concept. And applying power electronics in every application of the electrical engineering, whether you have an electric vehicle, drive, solar, how to convert solar energy into electrical, that is also taught in this lab. We have got a number of computers for simulation and experimenting and for studies of various subjects with the help of computers. Computer application is must in every area, so electrical engineering also not an exception. Electrical engineering is also making use of computer science, and therefore various languages that is used in computers, they are applicable for electrical engineering also. So this is the overall view of that computer lab. So this is the power electronics lab, and adjacent to this is computer lab, and all these labs are in electrical engineering. We can teach the theory behind on this board.